Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Amazon, AMZN, stock, and how current events might be affecting the price. Recent news highlights a 44% increase in AMZN's stock price over the past 52 weeks, ending 2024 on a high. However, some analysts are expressing concerns about slowing growth and increased competition. Let's now turn to the charts to gain a clearer picture of the current market situation. Looking at the daily chart, we see a recent surge in price, reaching a high near 210. This significant price increase was followed by a minor pullback, indicating potential profit-taking. The volume associated with this recent surge suggests considerable interest in the market. Now, let's narrow our focus to the past week on the daily chart to see if we can find more detailed analysis. Zooming in, we observe some minor fluctuations, but the overall trend seems to be sideways consolidation. It's important to look at the volume during these movements to get a better understanding of the strength of these movements. The lack of significant bearish pressure suggests underlying support at the current levels. To gain a clearer understanding of the short-term price action, let's switch to the hourly chart. The hourly chart confirms a similar pattern to the daily chart, with some minor fluctuations around the 220 level. The volume is more erratic on this time frame, indicating that the buyers and sellers are more balanced than on the daily chart. We need to get even more granular, which is why we will shift to the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows more volatile price action and frequent changes of direction. The volume on this chart is much lower than on the daily chart. This volatility does not suggest any significant changes to the overall trend. Let's recap the key levels. The 210 level on the daily chart seems to be a strong support level, while there is no clear resistance level on this time frame. On the hourly chart, we see support at around 220 with no clear resistance. The 15-minute chart shows a wide range of movements, but is not particularly informative in terms of overall trends. In summary, while the price of Amazon has shown strong growth over the past year, the past week shows more sideways consolidation. This suggests a period of uncertainty for the short term, but a potentially positive long-term outlook. It's important to keep an eye on the overall market sentiment and any significant news that may affect the company. A positive earnings report or major technological advancement could reinforce the bullish trend. On the other hand, negative news regarding sales growth or competition could lead to a short-term price decline. However, the overall long-term trend remains positive based on the past 52 weeks' performance and recent price consolidation.